The Terrazzo in the newly expanded and renovated Nashville International Airport celebrates the city's cultural heritage, musical legacy, and regional identity. The project was a combination of new construction and renovations over 3 levels and encompasses baggage, security, and concourses. Treads, risers, and landings at the 2 stairs entering baggage claim were poured in place. Spanning a significant portion of the terminal, every element contributes to a sense of place while supporting wayfinding. The installation in 50 colors features 3 large terrazzo art pieces presenting distinctive artistic narratives. Matt Goad's Across Country utilizes a red, white, and blue palette, incorporating musical instruments, airplanes, 3 stars referencing the Tennessee state flag, and a classical column nodding to Nashville's nickname, Athens of the South. Prado Studios' Better Home Awaiting draws on Nashville's musical roots, incorporating vinyl records and design elements inspired by the Ryman Auditorium, the original Grand Ole Opry. Brenda Stein's Our Radiant City stylizes Nashville's most iconic buildings, creating a striking focal point. It features bold motifs and references that speak to the city's unique sense of place. The dog depicted in the piece was inspired by a pet owned by one of the Terrazzo Contractor's employees, the same craftsman who designed the mix and brought the image to life on site. This project is intriguing, well-designed, and highly detailed. It represents significant coordination and superb craftsmanship. This fabulous terrazzo installation was completed by the David Allen Company.